Now entering the courtroom, the Honorable Judge Ahmed Shishkabab.
You may be seated. And your opening statement, prosecutors.
All right. What we have here is we have Dan Gallagher on trial for murder of a woman who had supposedly broken into his home. Now, jury, I want you to understand that in this case, there's going to be a lot of he say, she say, but there are some things that we do abide by as a country, and it's rules and regulations. If someone were to break and enter into your home, yes, you have the right to bear arms. You know, you have the right to have privacy in your home, but you do not have the right to maliciously kill a woman because she is broken into your home. Now, this the person that's on trial for the murder is a man, and the person who died is a woman. Judge, I'm sure, and the jury, I'm sure you guys can relate to this. Most men have a little bit more strength than a woman, and they should also have a little bit more smarts. I don't believe that this gentleman should get off of a murder because this woman had broken into his home and supposedly attacked this man. I believe that the evidence that we present will let you know that this gentleman could have made the choice to not murder this woman. Him and his wife murdered this woman together as a team when they should have been picking up the phone to call the police. There are authorities, and there is a proper way to doing things, and I don't think that this woman should have had her life taken. I believe in eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth, and I also believe that people should forgive. That was not a forgiving thing that was done by this gentleman and by his wife. I believe that we will be seeking death penalty since there was a life taken and there was a life of a mother who had an unborn child as well in her stomach. No, I don't think this is a case of breaking and entering. I think this is a manslaughter murder case.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the prosecution is right. We do have laws. I'd like to bring up one of the laws we have, which is murder two. As he stated, they should have called the cops, correct? And in doing so, they could have saved a person from being killed. But murder two states that you actually, it all happened like that. It went down. You didn't think about it at that time. Now let's look at some of the facts of the case that I'm going to prove that this wasn't a mere breaking and entering. A mere breaking and entering is me going over to your house, busting something, and walking in. But whenever I carry a weapon into your house, that's not breaking and entering. That becomes the intent to kill. And under our Constitution, my defendant has a right to protect himself. In the state of New York, he has a great right to protect himself. Now, he had a child, his daughter, 6 years old, living in the house. I don't know if it was me, I'd be looking for that person. Mr. Gallagher did not kill Miss Forrest. Mr. Gallagher's wife did with the .38 that he had for protection. She was viciously attacked by Miss Forrest. Mr. Gallagher was downstairs. All these facts I will prove to you. Their whole job is to prove that he's guilty. My job is to make sure they do their job right. They don't have a case, ladies and gentlemen. You will find out.